कक्षा 12 मा पढ्ने सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरुलाई मेरो यस युट्युब च्यानल ड्रिम्स लर्निङ जोनमा स्वागत छ। Compulsory English Grade 12 Literature Unit 3 Essays Exercises of the essay Knowledge and Wisdom written by Bertrand Russell. Understanding the text, answer the following questions. First question, what are the factors that contribute to wisdom? Answer is, and in the essay Knowledge and Wisdom, Bertrand Russell talks about several factors that contribute to wisdom. According to him, the factors that contribute to wisdom are a sense of purpose, comprehensiveness with broad feeling, emancipation from personal prejudices and tyranny of sensory perception, impartiality and awareness of human needs and understanding. Question number 2. What message does the writer try to convey with the examples of technicians? Answer is, Russell has given some examples of technicians to convey the message that the lone technical knowledge can be harmful to humankind, if that knowledge is applied without wisdom. They can't find out how their knowledge in one field can be harmful in another field. For example, the discovery of medicine to decrease the infant mortality rate can cause population growth and food scarcity. Similarly, the knowledge of atomic theory can be misused in making atom bombs. Question number C. Which leaders does Russell say were able to mix knowledge and wisdom soundly? Answer is, according to Russell, Queen Elizabeth I in England, Henry IV in France, and Abraham Lincoln can mix knowledge and wisdom soundly. Queen Elizabeth I and Henry IV remained free from the errors of their time, being unaffected by the conflict between the Protestants and the Catholics. Similarly, Abraham Lincoln conducted a great war without ever departing from wisdom. Question number D. Why is the wisdom needed not only in public ways but in private life equally? Answer is, wisdom is not only needed in public ways but also used in private life equally. It is needed in the choice of ends to be pursued and in emancipation from personal prejudice. In the lack of wisdom, we may fail in choosing the target of our life, and we may not have sufficient patience and sufficient persuasiveness in convincing people. Question number E. What, according to Russell, is the true aim of education? Answer is, the true aim of education, according to Russell, is installing wisdom in people. It is the wisdom that makes us utilize our knowledge in practical life purposefully without making any harm to humankind. Along with knowledge, people must have the wisdom to be good citizens. F. Can wisdom be taught? If so, how? Answer is, yes, wisdom can be taught. The teaching of wisdom should have a larger intellectual element more than moral instruction. The disastrous results of hearted and narrow-mindedness to those who feel them can be pointed out incidentally in the course of giving knowledge. For example, while teaching the composition of an atom, the disastrous result of it must be taught to eliminate its misuse, such as making an atom bomb. Question number G. Why does the world need more wisdom in the future? Answer is when we observe the growth of knowledge in various sectors in the present time, it is obvious that there will be even more development of knowledge in the future. In the absence of wisdom, most people are misusing knowledge, bringing several negative impacts, and this reality will continue in the future too if knowledge is not mixed with wisdom. It is only wisdom that makes people use the acquired knowledge wisely. For a better future, more wisdom is needed. Reference to the context. Answer the following questions. Question number A. According to Russell, the pursuit of knowledge may become harmful unless it is combined with wisdom. Justify this statement. Answer is, humans are curious creatures and they always want to learn new things. Most people have spent their whole lives in pursuit of knowledge. Some pieces of knowledge are novel and beneficial for humans, whereas some pieces of knowledge are harmful to us. The knowledge which is combined with wisdom is useful for us because it addresses the total needs of mankind. The knowledge of atomic composition has become harmful to mankind because it is used in making bombs. Similarly, Hegel, though he had great knowledge about history, made the Germans believe that they were a master race. It led to the great disastrous wars. So it is necessary to combine knowledge with the feeling of humanity. We need it and even to decide the aim even to decide the aim of our life. It makes us free from personal prejudices. Even noble things are applied unwisely in the lack of wisdom. Question number B. What, according to Russell, is the essence of wisdom? And how can one acquire the very essence? Answer is, according to Russell, the essence of wisdom is emancipation from the tyranny of being partiality. It makes our thoughts and feelings less personal and less concerned with our physical states. It is wisdom that makes us care and love the entire human race. It takes us into the higher stage of spirituality. It makes us be able to make the right decision. Instill a broad vision and unbiasedness in our minds. We can acquire the very sense by breaking the chain of the egoism of our senses, understanding the ends of human life, applying our knowledge wisely for benefit of humans, finding noble and attainable goals of our life, controlling our sensory perceptions, being impartial, gradually and loving others. Reference beyond the text. Answer the following questions. Next, A number question. Why is wisdom necessary in education? Discuss. Answer is, it is wisdom that makes our mind broad and unbiased. When we gain wisdom, our thoughts and feelings become less personal. It makes us use our knowledge wisely. It helps us to utilize our knowledge for the benefit of humankind. When we have wisdom, we love even our enemy. We completely get rid of ego. We don't have any kind of prejudices. If education knowledge is one part of human life, then wisdom is another part. If one compasses these both parts appropriately, then he or she becomes a perfect being. The goal of education is not only imparting knowledge but also creating good citizens. People may misuse the acquired knowledge if they don't have wisdom. It does not come automatically. It must be taught. It must be one of the goals of education and must be taught in schools. It must be planted and nursed in one's mind with practical examples. How can you become wise? Do you think what you are doing in college contribute to wisdom? Do it yourself. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you once again.